Hello, good day to all. How are you? All are safe? Very good. Now, today we are going to see question tag. Question tag is a small question added to a statement at the end. It is generally used when we want to confirm that the listener listens to what we say, disagree or disagree with it. Okay. And the thing is, if the given statement is positive, you must take the negative tag. And if the statement is negative, you must take the positive tag. Okay. Shall we see one example? I am a teacher. Aren't I? I am a teacher is a positive form. And here, aren't I? Question. I am not a teacher. Am I? Here it is a negative sentence, but we are asking, am I? There is no negative. Can you understand? So, positive statement should take negative tag, and negative statement should always take positive tag. Okay. And one more thing, that is only auxiliaries are used in the question tag. And another one more thing, it will take the question tag will have the pronoun of the sentence. Okay, have the pronoun of the sentence. And another thing is, question tag will have short form. Did not will be used as didn't. Does not, doesn't. Am not, amn't. Is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. Will not, won't, cannot, can't, shall not, shan't. Understood? Now we will see the positive statement. Okay. It is all a mistake, isn't it? See, they have taken the pronoun as well as the negative tag. They saw a snake, didn't they? Didn't they? You can drive a car, can't you? He won the prize, didn't he? They have started a business, hasn't they? Okay, now we'll see the negative statement. Rani was not present, was she? You cannot swim, can you? Gopu has not prepared well, has he? I have not drawn a picture, have I? Now you saw how the positive statement is taking the negative tag and the negative statement is taking the positive tag. And in the tag we have the, what is it? Short form as well as the pronoun must be used. Okay. For example, Tom has won the prize. Then what you will say? Tom has won the prize. Hasn't he? So again we are not using Tom. We are using the pronoun. Okay. I hope you all understood the lesson. We'll see in the next session. Okay. Bye.